Okay, we can see there's a hole, a small opening in the top there, and I've got plenty of shrink wrap on the cable first. Okay, at this point you want to make sure you've got shrink wrap already on. It's all ready to go. Okay, I've got solder with flux. If you're new to this, you want to wear skin protection so you don't burn yourself. Really what I'm going to do is heat up this the metal part, and the solder will go down through that hole and bond it together. Okay, so the flux is starting to flow out of the joint at the moment. Okay, this is shrink wrap. You can get it on eBay, all different sizes. You can go to Jaycar. They may have it in Bunnings. When using a gas bottle, you have to be very conscious and think about safety. Never leave it running while you go and do something else. Always turn it off if you're not attending it. Okay, so I've got that pushed forward a fair way, and I'm just going to shrink it. It's very similar to the 1980s. We used to get packets of chips and put it in the oven, and they'd shrink. So this is the same principle. It's just heating up the plastic, and it shrinks down.